Good morning. Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to take class MS Office, Microsoft Office. In this session, I am going to explain how to create a document. This is the first lesson. I am going to explain MS Office 2003. MS Office 2003. Here I am going to use this MS Office 2003 under the Windows 10 platform. Windows 10 platform, right? First, how to open MS Word. How to open MS Word. This MS Office consists of MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access and some more utilities. In this first lesson, MS Word, then MS Excel, then PowerPoint. In this MS Office, first session, I am going to explain to you how to create a document and how to make margins. So, how to enter into MS Office. So, in search bar, this is the search bar. Here you have to type MS Word, WORD. Otherwise, some of the people will have in desktop. Directly you can select through desktop. See here, this is the MS Word 2013 app. So, I am going to click this. Now, which is taking me to inside the MS Office 2013. This is MS Office 2013. So, in this first option is the blank document. First option is the blank document. So, I am going to click this blank document. So, which is taking me to the MS Office 2013. MS Office 2013. So, here which is having the list of menus, file, home, insert, design, page layout, reference, mailings and review. So, how to open a new document? Either you can select initial itself or otherwise you have to click this file, then click new, then you will be taken to some list of document types. In this, I am going to click blank document. So, now which is taking you to the blank document. First, what you have to do, you have to select the alignment. There are 3-4 types of alignment. This is left alignment, this is center alignment, this is right alignment, this is justify. So, if you keep the cursor, you will be getting the message like this is justify. Shortcut key is Ctrl J. This is right alignment. Shortcut key is Ctrl R. This is center alignment. Shortcut key is Ctrl E. This is left alignment. Shortcut key is Ctrl L. Ctrl L. See, first I am going to select this left alignment, right? After selecting this left alignment, you have to select the line spacing. This is very important. This line spacing you have to select initial itself. So, if you click this, this is very important. This is very important. This is 1.0. 1.0 means if you select the 1.0, when you type document, it will come near to near. See, I will explain. If I select this 1.0, after that, if I am typing, see here. So, if I press enter, it will come close together, very near to this, right? See, if I select I have to select once again new document. then only this will get okay. See, I am going to select this paragraph. See, this is 1.15, this is 1.5, this is 2.5. I will select 2.5, then you will see the major difference. See, I am typing. See the difference, 1.0 and 2.0. This is the 2.0. This is the 2.0. See, if I select 1.15, see here the distance. See the distance. In 2.0 you are getting a very vast distance. In 1.5 you will get a small distance. See, I will select this 1.0. So it will come near. So this is very important. See, after selecting left alignment or center alignment, right alignment or justify means it exactly left and right space will be exactly. Even if you type less words also, it will get adjust automatically. I will explain later, right? So after that you have to select this line spacing. After that you have to select the line spacing. This is very important. This will work properly before getting into the document. Initially itself you have to select the line spacing. Very important. This is very important, right? Okay. So if you select this line spacing 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, and based on this list, remaining things I will explain in later. So first, what you have to do, you have to open a new document, then you have to select left alignment or justify or center or right alignment, then you have to select the line spacing. This is very important, line spacing, right? Okay. So this is the left alignment. The document is in left alignment. Center alignment means if you type like this, so it will be like this. This word getting start from center onwards. This is what is called a center alignment, right? Then left alignment means, the right alignment means it will start from right. This Arabic letters, the Urdu, Gulf countries letters, they will start from right to left. Right? Then justify means the entire document will be exactly comes under in a single area. Single area means if you type, see, I will explain. Once again I will create a new document. See, here I am selecting justify. Here justify, I am going to type. See here, left and right will be the exact. Even if you type any more length of the words, it will adjust automatically. See here, okay, which has adjusted. So the left area, right area as well as left area will be in the narrow way, right? So first we have to open the new document, then you have to select either left alignment or right alignment, then you have to select the line space between a line, then after that you have to select the font size. And font type. This is the font type, this is the font size, this is for bold, this is for italic, this is for underline, this is for strike, and this is subscript. This is what is called superscript. Subscript is like but CH3. This chemical formula CH3 means subscript. This is superscript means A plus B whole squared. Right? First you have to select the font first you have to select the font. How to select the font? Generally, we used to type using the Arial black or Times New Roman. Arial black or Times New Roman. Okay, I am going to type in the Times New Roman. See here. See here, I have selected Times New Roman. This is Times New Roman. See here, I have selected Times New Roman. First I will type using the font size is 11, right? Okay, see, okay. This is MS Word class. This is 11. I am going to increase the font size. See here, I am going to increase the font size. See here. So here I am going to select 22, font size 22. See now, MS Office class. I am going to select 22. In this, see, once again, this is not selected, right? In this, see here, the font size is getting increased. In this, I have explained I have explained how to create, right? So in this, so if I sum up the area, if I want to highlight or underline or make italic, what I have to do? In this explained, I am going to make it as a bold means. So simply you have to select this using shift and right arrow. Using shift and right arrow. See here, using shift and right arrow, this particular area will get highlighted. Then you have to go and select the bold. You have to go and select the bold. See here, so you are getting a bold, right? If you want to make it as italic, see, click this I. See here, this is italic. This is italic. Then if you want to make it as a underline, this is underline. This is underline, right? So first you have to select the font, types of font, then font size. If you want to make it your particular word or entire document or entire paragraph, under bold means you have to click bold. Under entire document or particular area means simply select the shift then right arrow, then so and so area you can highlight. After highlighting, you have to select this bold or italic or underline, alright? So if you want to select the entire area, if you want to make bold the entire document means you have to click Ctrl A. You have to click Ctrl A. If I click Ctrl A, the entire document will be highlighted. Entire document will be highlighted. Now you have to select the font size. See, click here Times New Roman. Then click the font size. So here I am going to select the 20. See, this is after that. If you want to make it as a bold, so you have to click this bold. If you want to make it as a italic, simply click the italic. The entire document will be the italic. If you want to make it as a underline entire document, so you have to click the entire document means you have to click Ctrl A. Entire document means you have to click the Ctrl A. This is the shortcut key. This is the shortcut key. Particular area means then first you have to press the shift key. Under press, you have to keep under press. Then you have to key the right arrow or down arrow or left arrow or down arrow, top arrow or down arrow based on the selection process. Based on the selection process. If you want to select more lines means you have to keep the cursor from beginning place. See, say for example, see if I want to select from here means I have to keep the cursor here. Then I have to press the shift, then right arrow, then right arrow, right, then down arrow, then down arrow. So this is the way to select the particular. This is the way to select the particular area. Okay. So in this lesson, today's lesson, we have seen MS Office 2013, how to create new document, then how to make justify, that is left alignment or right alignment, center alignment, justify alignment. Also very important things, we have seen how to create line spacing between a line in a document. This is very important. So very initial itself you have to set the line spacing, then only the document will be in good control, otherwise it won't come in the good control. That is very important, right? After that you have to select the font. See, general font size, general font is Times New Roman or Arial Black, and font size. Then either if you want to make it as a document, you make your document bold, italic or underline. See how to select the area. I have said press shift key, then use right arrow, left arrow, top arrow, down arrow, then you can select the area. If you want to make the entire document in a single, entire document as a single font size means, so you have to select Control A, then you have to select the font style, then font size, then entire document if you want to make it as a bold, Control A, then click B. Entire document if you want to make it as a italic, Control A, then italic. Entire document if you want to make it as a underline, you have to click Control A, then U, This is the thing. In this session we have seen. In next session we will continue the next session in MS Office 2003 until complete the MS Office 2003. Thanking you. We will see in the next session next day. Have a nice day. Welcome.